Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare keto palak soup. Ingredients for keto palak cream soup: around 200 grams of palak, 1 onion, 25 grams of butter, around 15 numbers of garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, around 8 numbers of badam, salt to taste. First you have to wash the palak thoroughly and remove the hard stems. Only the leaves we are going to use. You can cut the palak like this because we are going to grind this one in the blender, so this will do. We dice the onion and we peel the skin of garlic cloves. We are grating the badam. So we peeled the skin already. We have soaked the badam approximately for 2 hours. Keep the pan in flame. Add butter. Add the garlic cloves. Onion. This is the soup in keto diet. We're going to add the palak. Required salt as per your taste. Actually, all the greens rich in iron, so whenever you are getting greens, just add in your diet twice in a week. That will be better. It is well cooked now. We are going to switch off the flame. Let it cool. Then we will grind in blender. This soup is in keto diet. Those who are following keto diet, they can have this soup. Let's get cool now. We are transferring everything to the blender jar. So we are going to grind this one as a smooth paste. So we grinded already. Transfer this to the pan. This quantity what we have prepared is, it will serve for 2. So you can add water, the consistency required. Started boiling, we are going to add the black pepper powder. So we are going to switch off the flame. So we are going to sprinkle the badam, shredded badam. Keto palak soup from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Please share with your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching.